Oh,
Hello.
can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
That's cool. My name is Anush and I'm from India. How should I call you?
Nice to meet you, Anus. My name's Faye.
Faye. Okay, so actually, I
Yeah,
was thinking that the pronunciation of your name is Faye. That's why I thought to ask you first.
that's okay. Thank you.
So, where are you now and where are you from?
I'm from the UK, but I live abroad. I live in Bulgaria.
Okay, so you're
Yeah.
in Bulgaria at this time?
Yes.
Oh, that's cool. So, how
Yeah.
long have you been there?
My husband and I moved August 2021. So
Oh,
nearly two
okay.
years. Yeah.
Yes,
And what
it's
about you?
gonna.
Have you travelled abroad from India before?
No, not now, not so far. But yeah, I can say yes too, because I've been to Nepal, just
Oh,
Nepal,
okay.
but I don't consider Nepal as abroad
Oh,
because
okay.
there are many Indians there, and it's like in neighbor country, just right in my north, okay, and we can go there. It's an hour, just an hour I need,
Oh,
and I can go there. Yes,
so very
we don't need.
close.
Yes, and we don't need any document process or something. We don't need visa or passport, so
Oh,
it's
that's
kind
good.
of coming and going there so easily.
Mhm. Is there anywhere you would like to visit? Would you like to travel?
Ah, why not? Why not? In fact, I would say everywhere.
Me too. Yeah.
So on this planet, on this planet where it's possible to go, almost everywhere, I
hmm
would like.
hmm
And I want to ask you that why did you choose to live there in Bulgaria?
My husband used to live here. He lived here for 5 years before, and he
Okay,
loved the country and the culture, the weather. So he always wanted to come back. And with COVID and with everything very
so is it
uncertain.
is it is it your husband's native place?
No, no, my husband is English. Yeah, we're both English. But he
Okay,
just
okay, okay,
he lived here previously, so he lived here for 5 years before, and we just decided to start the adventure and move. So yeah, and we both really
okay.
like it here. So
It's
he's
like new
actually,
home,
yeah,
new
he's
life and
actually
new home.
new life and new home. He's actually in Australia at the moment. He's working for
Oh,
6 months
okay.
in Australia. So he's far away in Australia. I'm in Bulgaria, and our family is
So
in the UK.
okay, okay. I got
We're
it,
very
got it.
spread
So
out.
what is he by profession?
He's in construction.
I
So lots
I
of.
Faye, I don't see you.
Oh, sorry. Let me just refresh it. There we go. Sorry.
Ah, thank you.
Yeah.
Now I see you.
Yeah, he's in construction, so he does lots of building work, lots of maintenance. He's building our house at the moment, so it's
Oh, okay, okay.
unfinished. So hopefully, when he comes back, we can
So
finish our
I can
house in
say
the
that.
summer.
Okay, so I can say that he's a civil engineer,
Um,
or how would
mm,
you say?
more
An
more
architect?
like a no, more like a carpenter and a builder.
Oh,
Yeah. So
okay.
more
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 like
manual labor, more
carpenter
manual
cum
labor.
builder, we can say,
Yes. Yes. Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Ah, that's cool.
He's very useful. He can do most jobs around the house. He can make
Okay,
anything. Yeah. What
okay.
about you? What's your job?
I'm something like that.
Oh, okay,
I'm in,
that's good.
I'm interested in all kind of works. Okay, because I just think that no work is bad. Just it's your
hmm
mentality of doing that.
Yeah.
Okay,
It's very
so
it's very rewarding being able to make something, and
right.
it's something in your house that you use every day and you think, "Wow, I made that," or "I did that." So, and it
So,
saves money as well.
right. So if I express such person, such type of people through an idiom, I would say a jack of all trades, but
Jack
master
of
of
all
none.
trades, yeah. Yeah. That's like my husband. He's the same.
Yeah, because it's true. It's true, right? When you are interested in several things, how can you be master of everything?
Hmm.
It's
Yeah.
not possible. If you say that you're a master of something specifically, it means you are cheating with your another task.
Hmm.
Yes, because
So,
being a master, it means just being master of something one.
one thing, yeah.
Yes.
So, so what is your job title? Do you go to an office, or are you like my husband? Are
N-
you doing jobs around the house?
Okay, so I'm not like your husband who is in Australia at this time. I'm in India at home. I live in a village. Okay, actually, I'm from Northeast and I live in a village and I've got a YouTube channel. I make videos about English vocabularies and conversation.
Hmm.
And I'm also working on my English because it's my first foreign language. I speak two different languages within my country. Okay, and now I can say that those languages are now official languages. Okay,
Okay.
yep. So so it's my third and first foreign language, English, and I'm working on it. And I thought that it's certain, it is obvious that I have to practice on a regular basis, and
Hmm.
it will be better if I talk with native speakers. That's why I decided to go with cambly and
Benji should.
your dog.
Sorry. Yes.
I watched your introduction video, your intro
Hmm.
video, and you mentioned your dogs, your cats.
I
Your
have lots. Yeah. I have 4 dogs and 1 cat. Yeah.
okay. How do you handle 4 dogs?
We have a nice big garden, and we have a dog door, so they can go in and out of the garden when they want to. But I do walk them every morning as well. Um,
Okay.
but they all play with each other and entertain each other. So I used to have one dog, and he was a lot more hard work on his own
Hmm.
because I was his constant attention and entertainment, just me.